We'll show you how to download YouTube videos. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. There are a couple of different ways to download YouTube videos, and I'm going to explain both in this video. First, let me show you how to download your own YouTube videos. To do that, go to YouTube Studio, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left and click Content. Then, choose the video you want to download. In this case, it's the top video. Hover your mouse over the video, and you'll see 3 dots labeled Options. Click that, then select Download. Your download should begin shortly. If I check the top right corner of my browser, you can see the video is now downloading to my computer. Now, you may also want to download other people's videos, so let me show you how that works. First, find the video you want to download and click on it. Then, scroll down below the video where you'll see a download button. Click it. As you can see, YouTube says you need YouTube Premium to download the video. So, if you want to download other people's YouTube videos, you'll need a YouTube Premium subscription. It also comes with several other benefits and is basically YouTube's membership program. I'm going to subscribe now because I have a free trial available. Once you're subscribed, click the download button again, and the download will begin. You can also see the progress in the bottom left corner. If you click View, it will take you to your downloads. As you can see, the video is almost finished downloading. Once it's done, you can watch it anytime, even without an internet connection, which is really useful. You can also check the download settings if needed. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.